Alright, so welcome back to another code challenge. I record this right after the next one because I feel so good, so I'm just gonna record another one immediately. Alright, let's go and get trained on this kata. So a pangram is a sentence that contains every single letter in the alphabet at least once. Oh, nicely important string for me. For example, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. It's a pentagram because it uses the letter A to Z at least once. Case is irrelevant. Give a string. Then whether it's not, it is a pentagram or not. Return true if it is. Return false if not. Okay. Okay, what we'll do is simply loop through the whole thing. So for I in string, I'm just gonna change it to string. For S in string, if S in string dot S dot lower, at least once. So it's not exactly once. String dot lower ASCII lowercase, I believe. And then we're gonna, it's not in this. I would say return false. Otherwise, return true. Okay. ASCII lowercase, ASCII. Okay, let me see string object. String, okay, let's see string module, ASCII letter, ASCII lowercase. Okay, yeah. What parentheses there? No, ASCII lowercase, no. What says here, ASCII? Oh, okay. Yeah, I recall. Okay, never mind. Yeah, my bad. Alright. Writing SI. Yeah, now it should work. Foster equal to true. Oh, okay. And I dot is alpha. And it's in the alphabet. Wait, no. Wait, if it just say AAA, gonna return true. So even past this test is not gonna pass because if it's an AAA, it'll work, but okay, what should really do is keep track of. So I will create. Can I sort? I remember the sorted thing. So S equals sorted. I'm just gonna print out S to take a look. Okay. Okay. Then essentially gonna say this is an array. Maybe too slow, but And then I will say then I will check whether each of the number is in the string. Okay, so just gonna say required is string dot ASCII lowercase. Okay. And then we'll say for I in S is alpha. And then I would say remove this from required. So required remove I. And then at the end, if the length of required is not 0, let's return false. Otherwise, return true. X not in the list. Try except value error. Okay, yeah, so it does work. So I'm just gonna explain it overall again. So what's happening is it's checking the required, create a required list, and then change it to a sorted. I don't really think this step is necessary. 1017. It is necessary. Wait, what just happened? Oh yeah, I can use set. Oh my god, why am I always so stupid? I should use set. Set is much more easier. I don't know why I didn't use set. I mean, set is much easier. Yay, now I come from about everyone. At least I'm in a nice position. Alright, so that will be it for this video. If you like it, please love and subscribe. And then, yes, have a nice day. I will see you next video.